The other day, I came to my office thinking about the issue that someone asked me. And when I say office, I'm talking about the room. And when I say the issue, you know what I mean? I'm talking about the issue that was the reason why you clicked on this video. So basically, how to do the work when you don't feel like it, when you're procrastinating, when it feels hard to do. Are you like this? You're like, I fucking want to do this. I know I gotta do this. That's the next step I gotta take. Fuck, man, I don't got the motivation. What do I talk about? What specifically to do? I don't have a plan. That might be the issue, that you do not have a plan. If you were to plan this shit out, it wouldn't be so hard, right? Like, if you would have the plan for the next day, I have to do this, this, and this today, at this hour, and this, before I go to sleep, before I brush my teeth, I gotta do this, man, I come home from school, I gotta do this. Like, if you have it set up like this, you will know exactly what to do at what time, and it would be easier for you to do. That's the number one thing. But that has nothing to do with what I actually want to talk about. So what I actually want to talk about is, get straight to the point, unlike many others. And that is, how do you do the work? How do you actually get yourself to do the work? And it's simple. Just do it, bro. Like, alright, I might sound fucking stupid right now. I just do it, that doesn't help. Look at me right now, bro. Look at me. Today, do you think I had the motivation to come here and record this video? Do you think I was like, yes, man, I know exactly what to talk about. I have it all planned out. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna talk with this tone. I'm gonna have it this long. I'm gonna... No, I didn't. And I didn't feel like doing it. As a matter of fact, I have a headache right now. I felt sick 5 minutes ago in my stomach. But I said, is that gonna stop me? Is that really... Like, in 1 week, I'm gonna look back and be like, oh, so I could have 1 week of progress. And in 10 months, I'm gonna look back and be like, oh, so I could have had 10 months of progress. But instead, I was like, I can't do it. I feel sick. I feel sorry for myself. My head hurts. I'm tired. I don't know what to talk about. What the fuck is this excuse, bro? Just go there and do shit. And do something. Because you know why? You know why? Hear me out. Don't hear me out, bro. It's a fact. So the thing is, but yeah, still hear me out. You know what I'm saying. The thing is, if you do the thing, you don't have to be perfect. Because once you do the thing, you fuck up. But here's the thing. Every time you fuck up, you learn something. And not just that, your failure will set up the future path in the direction you want to go in. So you're like, I don't know what business model to start. Alright, just start one. Start one and stick to it. Don't fucking switch until you either succeed or fail. Don't switch middle of nowhere. Because every business model has a problem, right? So you start one business model and you go on and then you figure out, well, that fucking shit is not for me. I'm doing it for 5-6 months now. I'm seeing slight progress, but I hate this. Like, I don't want this to be a part of my life. I fucking hate this. Fair, quit, start a new one. But instead, this might not happen, bro. You might fail, you might not, you might succeed. How do you know? But the thing is, when you fail, you will at least know this is not for you. But maybe this other thing is a bit more for me, and you try it another thing, and it sets you up more on your path, and you maybe still fail and be like, what the fuck? But actually, with this one failure and that one failure, I found out that this might be the thing for me, and then you get on the right path. The thing is, just start, just do it, bro. Just do whatever the fuck you want to. Don't procrastinate, don't overthink it. What if it doesn't work? What if it doesn't? So what? Yeah, exactly. What if it doesn't? What's gonna happen? What bad? You do not have a single bad thing that's gonna happen in your head right now. Because whatever you think it's bad, it's not as bad as you make it in your head. It's generally not. So just, do it. Just start doing it, bro. Don't fucking care about what your head thinks. Just go and do it. Ignore your stupid part of your brain. If you want to be successful, you gotta ignore it. And you know what you gotta do right now. The only thing that's stopping you is that part of your head that is telling you, oh, I don't know if I should do it. I don't feel like it. Maybe tomorrow, bro. Shut that fucking part of your brain up. And just go and do it. And while you go and do it, you'll find out, oh wait, it's maybe not even that hard. Maybe I don't need that much motivation. And whatever the fuck you do might suck. It might suck. Give it your best. And it might suck. But guess what? You did it. And you're closer. Like 500% closer than you would be if you wouldn't do it. If you would just be like, I need a better plan. I'll do it when I have this plan. I gotta watch this video and read that book and talk to that guy and plan this shit out. I don't know when because there's stuff coming in my week, but I'll do it bro, you're never gonna start. It's gonna take you months. You might start, but it's gonna take you months. Meanwhile, you could just go and do. Start today, get slight progress, and eventually level up as you analyze your past mistakes and successes. That's how you should live your life. Just go and fucking do it. If you fail, fuck it, bro. Go. Don't just go and do it and like, oh, fuck up everything, right? Go and try your best while doing it. Everything that you know in that moment, use it. Use it. How do you motivate that people? How do you succeed talking to that girl? How do you get the best grade? What do I know? How do I do it the best? How do I convince that guy? Right? Try your best. But you might fail. Just the thing is, you have to try your best and just do it. You might fail, you might succeed, doesn't fucking matter. You did it. And now you know what you fucked up. Yeah, now you know what part of that you succeeded in. And the next time, you're setting up yourself for a win. Big fucking win. You might fail 10 times, but every single failure is setting you up for the right path. So stick up to that, bro. Just fucking go and do it. You know what you gotta do. And while you're doing it, you'll find out how to improve it and actually make the best out of it. Thank you for watching, bro. See you in the next one. But until then, remember to embrace the pain, motherfucker. Ciao.